Hey, quick video to show you how to use my distribution tools. So the use case is I bought this really cool cube right here that someone spent a lot of time on that has an extra bone and a shape key. And I made the modifications of my own, so I added an extra shape key right here. But if I want to distribute it, I can't obviously just share my modified FBX because that has the original shape key and the extra bone that the person spent a lot of time working on. And to be able to do that, I need to do the difference between this cube and my modified cube, and be able to have a simple tool for people to import that and just hit one button and merge the two together. So to be able to do that, I created my tool, which to be able to create a patcher for, you need to use the builder. That's located under tools # edit distributor builder, and you're gonna want to drag and drop the original in a prefab of your modified model. You're gonna want to put in your name to be able to create that editor window that people are going to want to hit. I need also to inform people that I am going to require that specific version of the package, and so it's not going to work with any newer versions. You're going to want to use the updater tool anytime you want to update the patcher, and so I can already hit build and create a patcher that way. But I'm going to show you guys something quite cool to be able to, if you're going to want to sell your modifications. It lets me select, create general descriptions with placeholder texts everywhere, to be able to give information on the user on how to use the tool, and how to where to find everything, and give basically useful information to the user. And so to do that, I need to go ahead and give it the right folders. So that's the custom folder, and the destination, which is right above. So it can be anywhere, but it's better to have it on you need to have it on a different folder. The custom creator name, let's say that Deez made this, and you can find the original model at deez.booth.pm. And now I can hit build, and it created the script, made all the different things, and I'm going to be able to find my thing at the location that was given right here. And so I already have my modified version in my project, of course. So to be able to test it, I created separate projects that I'm going to pretend like I'm the original user. Before that, I need to create my package that I'm going to share. So I'm right-clicking on my folder where I have everything. Hit export package. Not include the tool, and also I don't want to include the modified FBX because we spent all of that to not do that. So I'm going to export it as my patcher here. Here we go. And so now I'm on to import the original package with the original cube right here, all its glory, and my patcher here. Import. It's going to compile the scripts, and now we get something at the top of the window. Tools # my cube. And so if I go on the prefab, it has a missing reference to that file, and we're going to create it as an attach. And now the prefab has everything. Drag and drop can be seen, whatever you want with it. It has the extra shape key. It's not like a reference to the original one that has the modified. It doesn't have the modified thing, so no overwriting, none of that. And you're good to go. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, feel free to support me on Ko-Fi. All the tools are free and open source, so if you want to contribute to it, you'll have a link to the repo down below. Other than that, I hope you have a good day. Take care.